need pollinations. They will just look after themselves. So once they start flowering, they'll just keep flowering. They're just a bush tomato, unlike the tall tomatoes, the big tomatoes, where they need actually pollinated and need pruned and all the suckers removed. Cherry tomatoes just fend for themselves. Plants that we've got growing in hydroponics. These are two 30-litre tubs that we've got, and you can see the crop of the cucumbers that we've got coming on. And over the side too, it just goes absolutely daft. There's more flowers, more baby cucumbers coming at the top, and this is just in pure hydroponics. There's more coming up there, more coming up there. I actually had to crop the top because they were hitting the top of the ceiling there. So the important thing about cucumbers as well is that you've got to prune them, take all the suckers away and some of the big leaves at the bottom, which then encourages more of the growth of the fruit. And the other good thing too is once you've got a good crop like that, is when you get a cucumber and you want to de-seed it, you keep growing it until it goes yellow, so that it's not really edible, but the seeds have matured. So when you take all the seeds out of the cucumber, it's mature seeds that you're using, not young seeds from a small cucumber. And you'll get hundreds and hundreds of seeds out of one of these, which can, and this is only 4 plants, so you can imagine how many plants you get out of one cucumber.
How long has this taken to get to this stage?
That's only been about 8 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And these are little floats that are made, and it's a biodegradable straw with a little marking on it, so that I know when it gets to that wee black mark, the water needs topped up. You can just top up through the net cups at the back there. But a top up of one of these would probably only be once a week, and you'd only be looking at about 2 litres of water. So it's very, very little water that you use for them compared to soil version, where you use a lot of water and hoses and watering cans. So it's very sustainable.
And how full is that in here? We're talking about up to there?
That goes, well, if you imagine there's a net cup there, for example. So that's what they're sitting in. So if that's there, you only want the water to touch the bottom of the net cup. So you're probably talking about that level, because you don't want to drown the roots. Because what happens is there's two different types of roots. There's the roots that come down the bottom that feed off the water, and then you've got roots that come out the side, which is what they call air roots, and they need the air to breathe. So if you completely smother that in water, they're just going to drown. So that's why the level of the straw is more important.